Yeah, I had this and it's kind of a bitch. So the way that I got it to work is basically it's trying to find files in your XPJ file, which is the save file for the project, and it can't find where they're at. So this is on my computer, but it's the same as on your drive. So if you mount your drive, you'll be able to open these on a computer. And for me, I'm on Mac, but you can use any text editor to open these. So if I just right click them and open from a text editor, I would open with, and then I can pick whatever app, and the file will open in a text editor, and they are these XML style files, which basically is like a human readable format. Let me close this. So this is all the details for your file, right? It's showing you what version, the application that it's from, the platform, and all this crap, BPM. But this file list right here is showing the file list for where it's expecting to find the stuff that is in this file, right? So if you go in here and it's missing information or any of this is jacked up, then it won't work. So for me on this track, if I go to, let's see, I think I opened hijack, so that's this, and it's looking in the hijack folder. So all of the files in this folder, it's all your sequences and basically everything, the whole project, any audio that's been recorded, any waves that have been imported, all of the stuff relative to that file is kept in there, and it'll be looking. So basically you have to make sure every single one of these files is in that folder. That folder hasn't been renamed or it hasn't been jacked up in some way, and that basically each one of these rectifies to one of these corresponding locations, and that is basically what's happening. That's the corruption somehow. And I mean, there's a lot of ways that files could get corrupted, but basically that's what it's seeing. Also, if any of this data gets pulled out, you could manually modify any of it. Not that you guys will, but like if you want to like generate sequences or whatever, like you can go in here and edit this directly, and it'll actually change the save file. Or if you want to clone it or something like that, like I mean, this is how they record data, which is better than it could be because it's human readable. So you can go in there and like make adjustments. So anytime anything gets corrupted, going in here, it's still recoverable, but you just have to go into the XPJ file of that project and then verify that all of the files that it's calling are actually in here. And if one of them is not, like one of these sequence files or something that you can't get back, you can always duplicate it. Like so if this file is looking for 3.xq and it's not there, you could duplicate 2 and rename it 3, and then it'll find it at least. It might not be what you had originally there, but for some reason it disappeared. So that's how you're fucked and how to fix it.